Okay, walk Natalia, go. Oh, you walk. Going to school, huh? Oh, you put in your head. Like that. Okay. Where are you going? School. Where's your bag? Okay, where? At the back? Okay. Oh, put in your head. Okay. Where are you going? Where are you going, Talia? School. Oh, there's cow there, oh. Oh, yo, what is he eating? Eating what? Do there, oh, plenty cow, oh, there, oh, Talia, there, oh. Oh, up here, oh, there, oh. There, oh, up. Oh, plenty cow. Holy cow. Why? Yes. Oh, you're gonna walk. Tumba, Talia. Where are you going, Talia? SM?
No.
Where?
School.
Ah, school. Okay, go down slowly. Jump. Jump. Very good. Okay. There's your school. There with the flag. What? No more rabbit? Yes. Okay. Nice your bag. Ah. Hello. Good morning, teacher. You do like that, huh? You say, good morning, teacher, okay? Good morning, classmates. Like that, okay? Slowly, you go there. Mm. Jump. Okay. Shh.
Dog.
Go upstairs. Go to your room. Hold on. Okay. Go up now. Very good, ah. Okay, very good. What will you tell your teacher? Good morning, like that, eh? Huh? Nah, nanhulog. Okay, Papa is here, oh. Okay, go up. Go up. Okay, go up, go. Oh, you're Good morning. Good morning po. Oh, there's Luis. Oh, there's your classmate. Go na to Luis. Hello, Luis. Oh, go. Go.
Maraming nag-aantay na classmate.
Oo nga po. Okay, up. Oh, go to Luis. Okay.